Tasty. How's that cereal, Zoe?
Tastes like cereal, Gigio. An example of a weak acid is acylic acid.
Zoe, sweetie, don't speak with your mouth full.
But Mom, it's for science. We have a group presentation today at school. Me, Amelia, and Tatum. I've got the main part. So, strawberries are called...
Huh, that's a weird name.
Oops. I think I've got the...
Hiccups.
Hick what?
Just a dumb thing. They'll be gone in a...
Awesome! A brand new language. It's called hiccup-ese. My whiskers are quivering at the thought.
Don't worry, Zoe. Uncle Felix had a foolproof method for curing hiccups. Watch and learn.
Dad, what are you doing?
The Felix method. Drink upside down, your hiccups will go away.
Was Felix a doctor?
Well, not a doctor per se, but he certainly knew a thing or two about...
Wowzers, you speak hiccup-ese too.
Gigio, there's no such thing as hiccup-ese.
Oh, sure there is. Dad said no reason to waste good juice, Zoe. Now you're getting it.
Try lemon. Not quite as showy as the Felix method, but it works.
Felix used lemons as cologne? Aw, shucks, what are you talking about?
Really? I should try that.
Hey, Zoe. Ready to get acidic? Almost. I just have to... Who? What?
It's hiccup-ese. She said she needs a nap. Come back in an hour.
I've got the hiccups, Emmy. It's nothing. You go to school. I'll catch up with you.
Okay, but the presentation. We can't do it without you. I'm too shy. Tatum is too... Tatum.
Emmy, don't worry. I'll be right behind you. And just remember...
Okay, I will. Please, get rid of those hiccups.
Bye, Gigio. Scientific way of getting rid of hiccups.